welcome back to my video. This time, let me tell you how to landscape design drawing for beginners. Well, happy watching! Landscape drawings range from straightforward hand-drawn sketches to more intricate design that take substantial time to finish. The ins and outs of the drawing depends upon the building size and scope of job. You don't need to have a strategy to get going, so do not worry if you don't have one. In fact, it can be a far more helpful procedure to see just how it starts in perspective initially. Perspective drawing, a technique to draw a three-dimensional scan onto a two-dimensional surface paper. These are how to draw. Materials, camera, phone camera is fine. Computer with photo editing and printing capabilities, trace paper or lightweight bond paper, ruler or triangle, pen or pencil, markers or colored pencil, etc. for coloring. What to do? 1. Take a photo that captures the widest, clearest view of the space to be designed. If possible, include nearby structures or hardscape. 2. Currently utilize some fundamental photo editing software program to increase the brightness and also minimize the comparison of the photo. This will certainly discolor the image so you can draw on top of it. Print the image out. 3. Discover the perspective lines to begin the draft illustration. Using the lines of the hardscape structures or the straight edge of a yard, find the 2 point of view lines that come together at a point. 4. Use the vanishing point to originate all the lines that are coming towards you. For any horizontal lines that are not coming from the vanishing point, make them parallel with the horizon line. Use a ruler or triangle to help draw all lines. 5. Draw the basic shapes. Design from largest to smallest. This is the first draft, so lines will cross each other and it may appear very messy. 6. Place a set of trace paper over your draft sketch. As an example, improve your drawing by beginning with the plans first. After that, hardscape. If they are curves, make them spiky. If they are sharps, make them bushy. Use your ruler to redraw the hardscape if it is required that. Clean up the drawing in general. 7. Landscape coloring is a multi-step technique within itself, but here are some basics. For instance, use this character's color first and make sure both the foreground and background contain it. Fill in the rest, one color at a time. Hope you guys enjoy watching that video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the video before this. See you on the next video.